Hi my dear subscribers, with Yoga Pototsky. Today I will tell you about distributed credit chain DCC. Accelerating digitalization, faster internet transmission speeds, continuous accumulation of distributed compounding resources, the application of mathematic and cryptographic technologies in the digital era. These are the factors that led us to foresee that in the future we'll see an underlying public chain based on the features of blockchain. The concept of distributed banking is to break the monopoly of traditional financial institutions for fair financial services and return earnings from financial services to our providers and users involved, so that each participant who has contributed to growth of the ecosystem may be incentivized firstly achieving inclusive finance through decentralized thinking. Distributed banking will be able to change the cooperation model in traditional finance services and build a new peer-to-peer and communications cooperation model across our regions, sectors, subjects, and accounts. As it pertains to business, distributed banking will completely transform traditional banking debt, as it and intermediary business structure through replacing liability business with distributed wealth management, replacing assist business with distributed credit reporting, debt registration, and replacing intermediary business with distributed assets transaction with the three-leg management structure of a traditional bank will evolve into a flat structure of distributed banking, which will establish distribute standards for various business and improve overall business efficiency. The foundation will launch a main blockchain, distributed credit chain DCC, to establish business standards, reach consensus on the books, deploy business contracts, implement liquidation and settlement services, and so on for a variety of distributed financial business. The foundation will launch a main blockchain. DCC to establishes business standards, reach consensus on the books, deploy business contracts, employment liquidation, and settlement services, and so on for variety distributed financial business. User account identification system. In DCC, each individual or institution has one DCC ID generated through public-private key paired from an address. This address acts just like a member ID in a traditional internet system, identifying and associating various real-world attributes such as real name, authentication, bank cards held, number of properties owned, and information on the credit chain, loan request, loan payment, etc. And DCC ID is a decentralized account system, and its generation does not depend on any individual DCC node. DCC uses digital signature technology, and every step of data exchange to fully guarantee the non-repudiation of individual chain or institution chain interaction of data. DCC will provide an open source personal credit data management framework, DCDMF, distributed credit data management framework, which is supported by a specific cloud storage provider, and developers are able to quickly rebuild users' personal credit reporting data using DCDMF based on where app development needs. Users having a DDC ID can exchange data in several APPC which use DCDMF by exporting their wallet addresses. Token. The Cyberchain Foundation plans to issue a total of 10 million tokens of encrypted digital currency DCC. 12 months after this issuance, the total correlation volume will be 3 milliard 7 million, accounting for 37% of the total. In the private round, the most qualified investors in the fields of credit and banking will be invited for the investment, with the fundraising percentage to no more than 17% and the investment amount of single investor no less than 100 Ether. At this stage, DCC will be locked with 25% of the total to be unlocked before the opening of exchange, and another 25% to be unlocked every 2 months, with the full amount to be unlocked in 6 months. The silver hard cap is 500 million DCC tokens. DCC tokens will be exchanged by Ether. To know current trends of ICOs, you can check ICO stats. And now let's go to white paper. The white paper of the project is presented on the DCC website. Let's start. White paper of the project is non-cooperating games between participants. DCC uses the blockchain to expand the original interlinked credit ecosystem relationship consisting of many centralized systems in the fiat credit, which the blockchain smart contracts as the shared medium, and all participants arbitrate equality. The openness of the DCC ecosystem enables each participant to cooperate on an independent and equal basis. Our cooperation between previous lenders and borrowers will not depend on the original relationship, and decisions made by any participant within the ecosystem will be entirely independent of our ones, thus creating a truly non-cooperative gaming environment. Such independent bilateral cooperative model will greatly reduce the complexity of system interconnection It is easy for credit system technology service providers to standardize the models of credit services and provide a credit standard system that can be deployed rapidly. Digital assessed lending. At present, in digital assessed lending, the lack of effective personal credit information, isolation between the world of data assessed and the traditional world, results in the accumulation of historical credit, and where also lacks effective means to avoid this before, during, and after loan processing. The C distributed credit reporting system can help the blockchain-based credit lending platform open up credit reporting links, conduct pre-credit risk control, manage performance during loan, and foster the expansion of the digital assets lending market. Imagine that people with different digital assets could pledge their digital assets through the on-chain and obtain mainstream digital assets from different individuals for reinvestment through credit reporting, data, and credit records. Uh, Such loan market would create more liquidity for digital assets transaction markets and provide more financial uh, derivatives. Uh, and finish my video review. Uh, I want to say about debt. DCC is a decentralized open credit platform. Any platform with traffic and scanners can submit its own debt application to DCC, provided that these submissions are based on distributed credit chain standards in the early stage to ensure the health and stability of the ecosystem. The Foundation would review the release applications. The Cyberchain Foundation encourages different scenario platforms to enter the DCC ecosystem to provide consumption scenarios of internet finance from distributed credit chain ecosystem. And my video review was end this moment. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye all. Good luck.